Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
What up, Jake?
How you doing, sir?
How you been, buddy?
Great. Could you tell me your name real quick and what's in here first?
My name is Brian. Brian Kinsella.
So what all equipment do you have in here, man?
Got NSV6s, 18s, 6-daughter, and 4 Salt 6Ks.
Okay. Whoa.
The dash is converted into a 2010 Escalade.
Wow. Who did the work?
The guys are dropping Hertz.
Okay. Wow, this looks really good. And this is whoa, so there's 8-inch aeroports in the back corners?
Correct.
Okay.
6-daughter, yeah.
Wow. Do you know like specs on the box at all, like a tuning or fan?
It's a fair bandwidth.
Okay.
It does play 20 nicely.
Yeah.
Plays in the 30s great.
Wow.
So
How thick is that glass in the back?
that's a 2-inch glass.
Man.
At one time you could see through it.
Yeah.
That's when I had one Salt 12K.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what subs did you have in here before these?
I had NSV4s.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you changed to these 6s now?
Yeah. I went from 4 to 6s.
Okay.
Big difference.
Oh yeah.
I love them. I love
Awesome.
them.
And last question, have you tried mounting these regular ever, or is it invert
what's
for motor?
funny? I do want to try that.
Yeah.
That's one of my my goals to see the difference. But
Yes, sir.
yeah, definitely will.
Okay. Awesome. Yeah, man, I'd love to hear it. Thanks for the info, man. I like it. And this is crazy. How big is that screen? Wow.
That's I think it's 13 inches.
Oh, okay. Sweet.
The series, I can't wait to really dial it in.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you still going to do some fine tunings to like maybe the cubic space, the port,
Correct.
all of that? Okay, got it. Brian. All right. Yes, sir. The doors look good too.
Yeah, you got 2 of them.
Wow. He rolls his window up, he gets more helm control, but he's scared. Can I go in this?
Super duper thing. Show myself, catch a breath and it's
Something went. It's the radio truck. The radio truck.
Yeah. Man, and that was a low frequency pressure like that. Man, you're doing some brutal lows,
Thank
man.
you, buddy.
Have you
Thank
metered it? That's insane.
No, not yet. I haven't even got into that
Yeah.
that realm yet. But as soon as I can't wait to really dial it in.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you still going to do some fine tuning to like maybe the cubic space, the port,
Correct.
all of that? The okay, got it.
Yes, sir.
I appreciate it, man. Your name again?
Brian.
Brian, thank you for the demo, Brian.
Too, okay?
All right, yes, sir. You have a good day.
Thank you, buddy.
The doors look good too.
Thank you.